Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So fam, today we're going to be doing Folere, which is a drink made with sorrel leaves. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, in this recipe we're going to be using a whole pineapple. What you want to do is peel your pineapple. You could use the pineapple skin if you want, but we're going to be using just the pineapple fruit. So we're going to put that in a food processor and crush it so we get all the juice out, and then boil it with the sorrel leaves for about 30 minutes. So fam, after 30 minutes of boiling, we're gonna let our drink cool down completely, and then we're gonna use a sifter to kind of like strain out the chunks of pineapple and our sorrel leaves. If you feel that the sorrel leaves are still very red, you could just add a little bit of water to get out some of the juice. So fam, we're gonna add the remaining ingredients. Make sure when you put your sugar, you stir it for a while so it dissolves completely. And then you could serve it with ice or just chill it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and you're ready to go. Thank you so much family for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.